Okay, so this batch was not planned. Um, I made the life preservers and, well, it was huge. I don't know if you can see, compared to the crap. And so it wasn't going to work for the design I wanted. Just, it was way too big. You'll see that design. It's a nautical themed design. But yeah, it was not going to work, like, at all. But I had already extruded this whole thing, and oh my gosh, was it a pain. This is deceptively difficult. You can see I had to do some patchwork at the end to hold it all together. I really should have made this in multiple pieces instead of one long piece, but that's a story for another time. So I didn't want to waste it because it had taken so much work to make. So I'm making a small batch, 5-pound batch, little ocean scene where I can use this piece. So it's a bonus soap. That's what you're getting today. So there is obviously a void in this that needs to be filled, hence why it's kind of plugged at the end. So hopefully this all stays together as the soap. It's starting to seep out of the edges, which was what I was afraid of. So, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. See if I can get any more in. Well, hopefully I can get the soap to fill in as I fill it. We'll see. I have absolutely no idea how this is gonna work. Well, I need to get my crab in and the starfish. Let's see, can I get soap to fill in there? Maybe if I keep doing it this way. Guys, if this works and it doesn't come out with a huge void or only half filled with soap, I'm going to be amazed. Like, just thoroughly in shock that I'm actually able to get soap in here to fill this. I don't know, but doesn't look like any more is going in, so I'm just gonna pour the rest of this and we'll see what we get. I cut this. I honestly don't have a clue how this is gonna work. I was just kind of going by the seat of my pants with this one. Yeah, okay. So this is actually getting thick on me. I wanted to create a little sandy beach on top. Ugh. Definitely very thick. I had these, my thought was to split it, so, oh my gosh. I will not tell you how much of a pain it was to cut these. They were just falling apart left and right. So that one has a bar. Oh my word. Yes. This falls along the lines of crazy things I do that now that I know better, I'll still probably do again in the future. Because that's just my MO, and I like to do crazy things. I have an inability to say no. So when I cut these, each bar should have half a life preserver on it. Hopefully that is cute. Okay, and then each bar gets a starfish. So, can't wait to see what the inside of this looks like. I was a little off on placing these completely centered, but that's okay. It got 3/4 filled. Oh my gosh. Let's see what's down here. Oh, I was able to get that. You can see how that was shifting and it was leaking out. This was the end. Okay, look, there's my, let's tape this together. I knew this piece would be a I keep for me. Yes, this was so hard to put together, and this half shifted. But I mean, considering what I went through, the fact that that's all of the hole there is, and look, that, oh my gosh, I got more hole under the crab. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will take it. It is far from perfect. So I have some, I didn't have enough crab to go the whole length. I was using leftover pieces, so I had some starfish. It is far from perfect. I do love the tops. But considering that this was a spur of the moment, I had some, I wanted to use this, I had some leftover crabs and starfish, and I just kind of came up with the design that morning. I'm pretty happy. It's cute.